Hey guys, it's Matt here with Revive Builds, and I'm here with my wife, Emily, right there, and our dog. And in these next couple videos, we're gonna do a little different style because we're doing something a little different. We're renovating this kitchen. So we're gonna do kind of a vlog style, whatever that means, but we're gonna be doing a daily video. Whenever we work on it, we're gonna post a video of what we did that day. And today, we picked up that laminate right there. But anyways, we got started. We got cabinets in the back. Underwater, under the tarps. But we got some cabinets that we need to kind of fit to our space that we have here. Alright, so we're in this kitchen that we're gonna renovate, but at first it really started with we just wanted to refresh the kitchen because how beautiful is this kitchen, Emily?
Oh, the mint green color really adds like a minty...
A good flair. Well, yeah. This is the house that I bought before Emily, and it was a bachelor pad, so it's time to freshen up the cabinets, the golden oak classic 90s cabinets. We want to get rid of those. What else do we want to do, Em?
We're going to redo the floors.
And look at this floor. This floor is extremely dirty, beat up. It's got holes everywhere, cracks everywhere. The finish is gone basically, and it is super hard to clean.
You want to show them the rotted out area?
Oh yeah. So I didn't even know this when I bought the house because the owner had a rug like this, but
just
as you remove this, it is a nice big crack in here. And yeah, unfortunately, there's just a lot of wear and tear on this floor. So we're gonna cover it up with laminate, and maybe in the future, redo it all with hardwood.
We're gonna redo these countertops that are like chipping apart, and we're gonna add in some more countertop space. So
not only are we gonna redo these cabinets, and we really didn't have much countertop space to begin with, so we want to redo our pantry. Okay, on the back side of the kitchen, we got a pantry and a mudroom. And we're gonna redo the flooring for both and probably put, because we have so much extra cabinets, we're probably gonna hopefully fit a couple cabinets, maybe some uppers and a lower in here. There's basically rickety shelves that all have a bow to them currently and no flooring. So this has a lot of work. It basically has a lot of potential because you don't have to do that much to make it better. And then in here is our mudroom where it has broken tile because they did not install this tile very well. So we're gonna redo the tile. Well, we don't know if we're gonna redo it with tile, but probably just the laminate. We're gonna continue the laminate into this space. And then we're gonna put up some better shelving to utilize the wall. Okay, let's go right here.